Hi, Doug Lynch here, A1 Mold Solutions. The question we're answering this week is how do I go about doing mold removal on my own? Well, there are a few simple rules that we have to follow. Actually, there are 5. You want to provide for the safety of all concerned, contain the area, remove or kill the mold in the suspected areas, retest and control the moisture. So providing for safety means anyone working with the mold should have on goggles, gloves, wear a respirator, perhaps a coverall suit. Number 2, containing the area means if you're working in a room, put a piece of plastic over the door so you're not stirring up mold and distributing it throughout the house. Number 3 is you have to determine if the mold that you're removing is on a porous material that should be totally cut out and removed, or something that could just have the mold spray on it and reseal it. After you've killed the mold, you want to retest, which is number 4, and then most importantly is control the moisture so the mold does not come back. These are principles of mold removal that anyone could follow. You can find more on our website at a1moldsolutions.com, helping you have a healthy, safe home.